Will be everyone showing you the process or steps on how you're going to install the latest version of Sublime Text 3 version 3. So this application will be used on web or on coding web development. It's like HTML and CSS. So here is the application or the installer or the package. So we have here two packages. This is used for 64-bit and 32-bit operating system. So I'm going to install or use the 64-bit since the operating system I am using is 64-bit. So just double click to run the application. Then next, so it will be installed on the program files with the directory Sublime Text 3. Just click next, next, install. And as simple as that. This application already been installed. Just click finish to exit the setup. Finish. Then looking at our program files on drive C, since we make use of 64-bit, it will be located under the program files, because if we use 32-bit, it will be located on program files x86. So try to open program files, and here is now the root directory of the Sublime Text 3 version 2. So here, and trying to run the application, we just look into search into Sublime Text 3. So just click on it. Here it is. So this is a very simple interface of Sublime Text 3. Looking at it, it's just unregistered, but I could help you on how you are going to activate your application. So for you to create a new file, just click on the file menu, then click on new file, then trying to save this, for example, Ctrl S, or click on the file, then save as. For example, I'm going to save it on drive D, then saving this with a file name helloword.html. So in coding, what you're going to do only is just type or code HTML tag, then press enter. If you notice, automatically you can see now the full structure or the complete structure of our HTML document using, of course, HTML5 version, and then using this tag. So this line emphasizes that this document or this HTML document is an HTML5 version. And of course, you have your HTML tag opening and closing. We have the head where you can see all the meta information or metadata connected to your document, like the CSS, the external CSS together with the internal CSS connected to your document. Then we have, of course, the body. The body is where you can see the content of your page. Then we have here, of course, the different menus where we could use, like on the file, edit, selection, find, view. I just want to focus on the view menu, wherein you could see here the different programming languages where you can use Sublime Text as your code editor. So we have the Action script, we have Apple script, ASP or Active Server Pages, we have C# for those who are going to learn C# programming language, we have C++, and of course we have here CSS and many more. We have also Python programming, then we have PHP for dynamic web pages, and we have R language for data modeling and more. So for you to be able to register this, I'm going to, or I can share with you the process on how to do it. So for now, that's all for now. Thank you for subscribing my channel, and thank you for watching.